Let me tell you something regarding eye. This is the eye of buffalo. Just we are going to introduce something regarding this eye. What eye is actually? We are just doing the cross section of eye. Let me tell you one thing. It's too hard. Actually, let me tell you one thing here. This inner part here and the fluid which is coming. Actually, it's vitreous humor. Vitreous humor, not aqueous humor.
It's jelly like fluid.
Aqueous humor is inside. Beside is the part. ठीक है? So besides there is a this layer that's called as Taptum lucidum. Taptum lucidum is the unique feature of animals. Why there is Taptum lucidum? What is the reason to be Taptum lucidum in the animal eyes? This is the reason because Taptum lucidum, if we put the light in the their shiningness is due to this Taptum lucidum, and their reflex at the midnight, that is due to this Taptum lucidum. This actually this guy is from here from the last 2 decades. That's why it's like that. Actually, we have to think. We have to see the. This is crystalline lens. Crystalline lens. Take this one. Less Clara. And besides that, there is a skin. This is called as uh, skin outside the. Very good. Uh, sclera is outer tough covering of the eyeball, which protects, which outside it covers the 1/5 portion of the eyeball, and besides that there is a cornea. Cornea is the refractive, which helps in the refracting medium, just like it is its portion is this one beside that, and it contains 1/6 part of the sclera, isn't it? So if we go more interiorly, there is this layer. This is called as choroid. Besides that, if we go more interiorly besides that, you are visualize here one thing more. This thing, this thing, this thing here, it is called as ora serrata. It is a serrated junction between the equator and scleral junction, corneal scleral junction. It is a serrated junction between the. देख लीजिए. Let me tell you this thing. And here is one more thing. Depression. This depression, that's called as patellar fossa, and it is the synonym of hyaloid fossa. Okay, and besides that, there is a space. Space is called as that space is called as vagal space. ठीक है, तो इसमें अगर हम देखेंगे in the more interiorly, this very part, which is called a retina. Retina is the only part of eye which we look through the ophthalmoscope, and retina contains more, if we see the depression here, little bit of depression on the besides the uh, optic nerve out, just laterally to the optic nerve, there's a depression. That depression is called as fovea centralis. Macula lutea में depression होती है, that depression is called as fovea centralis. Fovea centralis is that very portion of the eyeball which have maximum number of rods and cones. Now here come the concept of rods and cones. Rods and cone cells are those very receptor cells which help us to visualize the things. Not only rods and cones, there are different types of cells. There are RBG, there are bipolar cells, there are Miller cells, there are ganglion cells, there are interplexiform cells, there are important thing here is that the important function of cone is that cone is that it has private line going on. It is the transmission of, it helps in the transmission of signal. How it helps in the transmission of signal? Actually, we have different things here. uh, that's mesosomes. There's a fluid inside the cornea. And the one more important thing, that this terminal between right and rods and cones, that's called as stipules. And what about cones? इकरा बोल दे हम कुछ. हाँ, क्या कर रहे हैं हम रेटिना में? शाबाश. This is our beautiful
Lens.
beautiful lens. Button like.
Isn't it biconvex?
Yeah, sure. It is biconvex. Outly, posteriorly. Actually, this eye is from past 2 decades here. That's why it has been bulged out. That's why it has been shrinked out. ठीक है. इसके बाद हम बात करते हैं इसके इनर साइड में. हमने बात करी थी इस वाले पोर्शन के. दिस पोर्शन इज कॉल्ड एज ओरासेलेडा. ठीक है. इसके बीच में ये वाला जो पार्ट, इसके अंदर एक पार्ट होता है. इसके अंदर एक पार्ट होता है where lens is been placed. Lens is placed under a depression that is called as स्पैटुलर फोसा. और यहाँ डिप्रेशन होती है, स्लाइड डिप्रेशन. इट इज अ synonym of that's called as hyaloid fossa. Let me tell you one thing. If you take it more friendly, this is our cornea. Actually, यहाँ ये shrink हुआ है due to turgidity. It has lost its turgidity. That's why it is going on. The formaldehyde, it had been reactive. And here is, if we say why it has been turgid, why it has regained lose its osmolality, due to here is a chemical present in our eye that's called as hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid directly reacts with that. It is something different. We will read that thing in the biochemistry. Okay. One more thing. मुझे पता नहीं इसमें क्या है. तो बोल रहा हूँ ना, ये तो क्या हो गया इसमें, तो क्या हो गया, ये तो टर्न ओवर हुआ है. ठीक है. ये हमारा कॉर्निया. डोंट से ची नहीं. You have to do
Yeah.
say part. This is called as cornea. अब मैं दिखाऊंगा ये कॉर्निया को कैसे बोलते हैं हम. थोड़ी सी इसकी ये है, थोड़ा सा इसमें ये है. तो ये जो कॉर्निया ना, कॉर्निया इज अ ग्लास. हाँ, ट्रांसपेरेंट. अभी ये ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं है बिकॉज इट वाज इन फॉर्मल्डिहाइड. दैट्स व्हाई अभी ये ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं है. इट हैज लॉस्ट इट्स ट्रांसपेरेंसी due to some reason, due to formaldehyde. Watch like structure, गड्डी के ग्लास की स्ट्रक्चर which is outside more convex and internal it's concave. ठीक है. तो ये है कॉर्निया. ठीक है. ये कवर करता है स्क्लेरा का. इट हैज बीन कनेक्टेड विद स्क्लेरा. दैट जंक्शन इज कॉल्ड एज इन द इंटीमेट कांटेक्ट विद द स्क्लेरा, दैट्स कॉल्ड एज कॉर्निया स्क्लेरल जंक्शन. ठीक है. तो और वी कैन आल्सो सी विद द हेल्प ऑफ वन अदर नेम एंड दिस वेरी पोजीशन, दिस वेरी पॉइंट दैट्स कॉल्ड एज लिम्बस. ठीक है. तो वन मोर थिंग इज दैट हो गया ये. तो इसके बाद अंदर वाली ये जो पोर्शन होती है ना, यहाँ यहाँ एक्वस ह्यूमर होता है. एक्वस ह्यूमर. और ये जो पार्ट होता है, दिस पार्ट, दिस colored portion, this is called as iris. You will pronounce it in your own language, that's iris, iris, whatever it will be. तो इसके बाद यहाँ ये वाला सेक्शन जो होता है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज पुपिल. पुपिल का फंक्शन ये होता है सर्कुलर पाथ. पुपिल का फंक्शन ये होता है कि इट कैन इंटरेक्ट विद द लाइट एंड हाउ मच इट हैव टू जस्ट अलो द लाइट टू इन एंड आउट लाइक दैट. ठीक है. इसके बाद यहाँ पे एक फ्लूइड होता है. दैट फ्लूइड इज कॉल्ड एज एक्वस ह्यूमर. नाउ हियर कम्स द कांसेप्ट व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ एक्वस ह्यूमर एंड व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ विट्रस ह्यूमर. बोथ द and where it is been secreted. Here actually there are like the canal of Shillam. हेलो. कैनल ऑफ शिलम से स्क्रीट होता है अंडर एक पोजीशन होती है, उसी से स्क्रीट होता है एक्वस ह्यूमर. ठीक है. एक्वस ह्यूमर का क्या काम होता है? एक्वस ह्यूमर का काम ये होता है कि वो जो एक तो आइस को, कॉर्निया को इनसाइड ये प्रोवाइड करता है नरिशमेंट. दूसरा इसका काम ये होता है तो इट गिव्स द मॉइस्चराइजिंग एंड as well as it will it provides the nutrition as well. And number third function of aqueous humor is that कि ये जो प्रेशर है ना, इंट्राओक्युलर प्रेशर मेंटेन करना है बॉल का. ठीक है. Why there is necessity to just these things क्यों ये होना चाहिए, आगे देखेंगे, ठीक है। और ये वाली these actually ये अभी दिख ही नहीं रही है बिकॉज डेड बहुत असर कर चुका है, तो इसकी वजह से क्या हो गया, तो ये जो अंदर वाला पोर्शन है ना, इसको हम बोलते हैं रेटिना। रेटिना में ये वाली जो ये वाली here comes, listen, here is most important concept regarding this retina is that it is sandwiched. Choroid is sandwiched between retina outer layer. There are two types, two parts of retina. One is called as neural layer, number second is called as and choroid is sandwiched between retina as well as outside it is sclera. But if we talk about the neural layer of retina, it has been sandwiched between vitreous humor. Retina is sandwiched between vitreous humor internally, and postally it has been sandwiched. Postally there is choroid. Choroid consists of शाबाश एरिस सिलरी बॉडी, ठीक है, हो गया ये। तो इसके बाद अब अच्छा कुछ इसमें और इंट्रोडक्शन टुवर्ड्स रिगार्डिंग द eyeball, I think that's sufficient. If anybody have any doubt, any question, he or she can ask.
Start.
Let me do the dissection of this lens. Let me tell you what it is. This is hard right now. This is hard due to the sclerosis. ठीक है, this condition is called as sclerosis and it has achieved whenever this lens is hard, remind that there is a condition, that condition is called as sclerosis. There is a why it becomes hard usually किसी and what is the shape of this, sorry, and color. Usually हमारा जो lens होता है ना, with the passage of age it becomes amber in color and usually transparent. ये किस एंगल से transparent नहीं दिख रहा है, so देखो छी नहीं बोलते, हमने पढ़े थे लेंस के लेंस के लेयर्स क्या होता है, आउटर लेयर इज कॉल्ड एज, आउटर लेयर ऑफ लेंस इज कॉल्ड एज, हमने कैप्सूल पढ़े, वो सारा पढ़ा है। तो एक्चुअली हम इसके इनर पार्ट पे जाते हैं, हम देखेंगे ये एम्ब्रियोनिक न्यूक्लियस क्या होता है, फीटल न्यूक्लियस क्या होता है और एडल्ट न्यूक्लियस क्या होता है, व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन फीटल एडल्ट एंड, वो हम चीजें पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है। आई एम ट्राइंग टू just visualize it more clearly, so I'm going to make it. So whenever talking about